Hello children, we have a very informative chapter today and the title is Endangered Animal Species. Endangered मतलब जिन जानवरों को खतरा है कि वो बिल्कुल एक्सटिंक्ट हो सकते हैं, बिल्कुल ही गायब हो जाएंगे, उनको हम endangered कहते हैं. Suppose your locality were to be bulldozed, the people killed or wounded and the area razed to the ground all of a sudden without your knowledge in order to build a factory or to make a football stadium. There is nobody to turn to. People have nowhere to go. They are exposed to the ravages of an unkindly environment, starvation and disease. The surviving members of the locality would wander around or migrate, looking for a habitat where they could re-establish themselves, a process in which they may or may not succeed. This is exactly what has happened to the animal species as a result of human activities to meet the developmental needs of an increasing population. अब जितनी हम लोगों की पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही है, कहीं ना कहीं तो हमें रहना है, सिर्फ रहना नहीं है, घर चाहिए हैं, स्कूल, हॉस्पिटल्स और सरवाइव करने के लिए काम के तरीके, उनके लिए इंडस्ट्रीज़, खेलने कूदने के लिए भी जगह चाहिए. अब ये जगह कहाँ से आती है? जितने हमारे फॉरेस्ट्स हैं उनको कट करके ये हैबिटेशन की जगह ह्यूमंस के लिए बनाई जाती है. लेकिन जंगल क्या सिर्फ पेड़ पौधों से बनता है? वहाँ पे कितने अलग अलग तरह के वाइल्ड एनिमल्स, बर्ड्स सब रहते हैं, तो वो कहाँ जाते हैं? उनकी हैबिटेट, रहने की जगह जब हम ले लेते हैं तो उनको जो प्रॉब्लम होती है वही यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश की गई है कि अगर हमारे साथ ऐसा हो तो कैसा लगेगा. If we allow our wildlife to vanish slowly and steadily in the name of development, a day would come when our own survival would be in peril. Conservation of animal species is the need of the hour. Their protection is in our own interest. अगर हम अपनी वाइल्ड लाइफ को सेव करेंगे तभी हमारा फ्यूचर सिक्योर बनेगा. Here we shall study two endangered animal species, the Asiatic lion and crocodile. तो पहला क्या है? Once found in most parts of northern India, central India, Rajasthan and even up to the river Narmada in the south, the lion is now confined to the Gir forests in Gujarat. King of the forest or king of beasts is a well-deserved title for this powerful predator. When we think of a lion, the picture that emerges is that of a big cat equipped with sharp teeth, huge paws, threatening roar and male's magnificent mane. ये जो बाल और दाढ़ी है ना, ये सिर्फ मेल लायंस की होती है और इसको कहते हैं मेन. तो जब भी हम लायन का जिक्र करते हैं तो कुछ ऐसी तस्वीर ही हमारे दिमाग में आती है. Lions are truly the king of their area. When they are near, other animals become nervous and take a retreat. Even other strong cats like cheetahs and leopards back away from their own kills. What makes a lion truly majestic and powerful is its physical structure. Its sharp teeth, large and powerful claws, strong hind legs are all made to pounce upon and hunt the prey. इनकी बॉडी की स्ट्रक्चर ही ऐसी है ताकि ये शिकार कर सकें. Its muscular tail gives it the balance when it is on the move. The heavy mane around the neck of a male lion makes it a royal animal. It is golden in the beginning and gradually darkens with age. The female does not have a mane. Its Physical constitution allows it to attack and kill still larger and more powerful animals than it. Though lions live in the forests, yet they are truly social. They live in loosely formed groups called prides. ये हमेशा एक झुंड बना करके रहते हैं और इनके ग्रुप या झुंड को प्राइड कहते हैं. A pride usually consists of 4 to 8 closely related females, their offsprings and some males, one of which is the dominant. जितना भी इनका झुंड या ग्रुप है उनमें से एक मेल हमेशा इनका डोमिनेंट होता है. Adult males are temporary members of the pride, living with the group for a few months or years. They battle ferociously for the dominance of the pride. जैसे पहले बताया था ना कि एक मेल इनमें हमेशा डोमिनेंट रहता है, तो इनके ग्रुप या झुंड में ज़्यादा एडल्ट मेल्स होते ही नहीं हैं. जैसे जैसे जो ऑफस्प्रिंग, जो बच्चे लायंस हैं वो बड़े होते हैं, उनमें आपस में लड़ाई होनी शुरू हो जाती है डोमिनेंस के लिए. द विनर डोमिनेट्स द होल ग्रुप एंड व्हेन इट शोज साइंस ऑफ वीकनेस, it is driven away from the pride by the younger and more vigorous male, which then takes over the dominance of the pride. The ousted male has to find a new pride for itself or live alone. The male lions can also move from one pride to another to look for the females that are ready to breed. They then defend the females and mark the pride's territory by spraying urine on bushes and defend it. तो अलग अलग जो ग्रुप्स हैं वो अपनी जगह मार्क कर लेते हैं ताकि वहाँ पे दूसरे लायंस ना आए. Lions communicate with each other with various sounds, but are best known for their roar. दहाड़ के लिए अपनी जाने जाते हैं. This lets other pride members know where they are and also warns other males to keep away from others' territory. A lion's roar can be heard several kilometers away. The lion inhabits the scrub-type deciduous forests. It is a nocturnal hunter with a keen sense of hearing. It hunts and eats a wide range of animals, from small rodents and reptiles to young hippopotamuses, giraffes, deer, cattle, pig, and other herbivores, even elephants. The females do most of the hunting, working as a team. One may run at a zebra herd to spread panic in its members, while it will drive a vulnerable, slow-moving animal towards other lionesses that move in for the kill. Males join in when the prey is particularly large. Even if the females make the kill, it is the males that eat first, taking the choicest pieces of meat. The lions feed on the meat without crushing the bones or picking them clean. There is usually meat left for other scavengers like jackals, hyenas, and vultures to feed on. This is the reason that the scavengers wait on the lions or prides to make their kill. आसान है ना? Lions ने prey ढूंढा, इकट्ठा किया, अपना खाया, फिर छोड़ दिया ताकि जो बाकी scavengers हैं वो भी आके खा सकें. However, the presence of a lion at a place does not mean that it is out to kill other animals indiscriminately. It eats until it is full. That means it may not hunt for several days. During this period, it would pay no attention to the presence of prey near the resting grounds. A lion does not ordinarily attack a human being unless it is startled, bothered, wounded or diseased. मतलब ज़रूरी नहीं है कि शेर के सामने अगर ह्यूमन बीइंग आ जाए तो उस पर वो हमला करेगा ही. वो क्यों हमला करता है? या तो चौंक जाए, या उसको कुछ परेशानी हो, या फिर वो वुंडेड हो या डिजीज्ड हो और बाकी कोई और जानवर का शिकार ना कर पाए तब. लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप शेर के सामने जाके खड़े हो जाएं. Aged lions may stalk and kill a person, But this is rare because they then feed on scorpions, insects and rodents. Lions drink water regularly when it is available, but they can survive without it for a long time because they get it in the liquids from other animals' meat in the form of blood and other gut contents. काफ़ी उनको अपना जो बॉडी के लिए जो वाटर या फ्लूइड चाहिए है वो अपने शिकार में से ही मिल जाता है, ब्लड के थ्रू या जो गट में इंटेस्टीन्स में जो थोड़ा बहुत लिक्विड होता है उसके थ्रू. जनरली ऑल और मोस्ट एडल्ट फीमेल्स इन अ प्राइड breed at roughly the same time. It enables them to raise their young ones communally. अगर ऑलमोस्ट एक ही टाइम पे आसपास ही उनके बच्चे होते हैं तो सब मिलके उनकी देखभाल करते हैं. Cubs are born in a well-hidden lair. They are suckled by both their mother and other breeding lionesses in the pride. A lioness may give birth to 1 to 6 spotted helpless cubs. They are easy prey for leopards, hyenas and other animals, and many of them do not survive, so they need protection of the adult members of the pride. The cubs grow quickly and they are able to make their own kill when they are about 1 year old. जब तक ये छोटे से cubs हैं, जब पैदा होते हैं तो 1 साल तक इनको बहुत केयरफुली संभाल के रखना पड़ता है क्योंकि जो बाकी एनिमल्स हैं वो इनका शिकार कर सकते हैं. Lions have a potential lifespan of 20 to 30 years, but they rarely reach that age in the wild. Habitat destruction, hunting, and human interference have made this majestic animal a highly endangered animal. Once it was the national animal, but has been replaced by the tiger now. About 300 lions now survive in the Gir forest of Gujarat under vigorous protection. This forest is the last refuge of the Asiatic lion in the world. A few more survive in various zoos. Imagine, पूरे वर्ल्ड में सिर्फ शायद 300 कुछ लायंस ही बचे हैं, इसीलिए ये endangered species हैं. Now let's look at the next endangered species, and that is the crocodile. Crocodiles are reptiles, and the 3 chief varieties found in India are estuarine crocodiles, alligators, and ghadials. These animals have existed on the earth almost unchanged in forms for over 160 million years. इतने सालों से इनका फॉर्म ऑलमोस्ट वैसा ही है जैसा तब हुआ करता था. A crocodile is a fierce looking armored animal. Armored? ऊपर जो एक कवच पहना होता है उसे आर्मर कहते हैं. ये देख रहे हैं इनकी बॉडी ही ऐसी है, ऐसे लगता है कि इन्होंने अपने ऊपर एक सुरक्षा कवच पहना है. इट्स बॉडी इज वेल सूटेड फॉर एक्वेटिक लाइफ. पानी में रहने के लिए अडेप्टेड है इसकी बॉडी. Its nostrils are situated at the tip of the snout, which allow it to breathe while the rest of the body is submerged in the water. Flaps for closing the nostrils and ears when submerged completely in the water, and a third eyelid, which enables them to have some degree of underwater vision. इसको snout कहते हैं. तो यहाँ पे इनकी नोज है. अब इनकी नोज में और इनके ईयर्स में फ्लैप हैं. वैसे तो जब इनकी बॉडी पानी में है तो ये जगह पानी के ऊपर रह सकती है ताकि ये ब्रीथ करें, लेकिन बाय चांस अगर पूरी बॉडी भी पानी में सबमर्ज्ड है तो फ्लैप्स हैं इनकी नॉस्ट्रिल्स और इनके ईयर्स को कवर करने के लिए. और इनके पास एक तीसरी आईलिड भी है ताकि अंडर वाटर कुछ नज़र आ सके, आंखें बंद होने पर भी. Their body is armored with bony plates, generally dark in color. They have well-developed sense of smell, sight, and hearing. Crocodiles lay eggs which are oval shaped and hard shelled. कुछ इस तरीके के. They bury their eggs in pits in the soil for incubation called nest. The females guard the nest and help the young ones to emerge from the eggs. They carry them to the water in their mouth. They also save them from predators. Predators जो इनका शिकार करते हैं. Crocodiles are carnivores. मीट ही खाते हैं या दूसरे एनिमल्स. They shed and replace their teeth throughout life. अब क्योंकि इनको रॉ मीट खाना होता है तो थ्रूआउट लाइफ ये अपने टीथ जो हैं रिप्लेस करते रहते हैं. A घड़ियाल can be distinguished from a crocodile by its long thin snout which is meant for catching fish. The adult male has a hump at the end of the snout which resembles a घड़ा or pitcher, hence its name. Ghadials are found in the Ganges, Brahmaputra, Indus and Mahanadi rivers. They chiefly feed on fishes besides birds, goats and other small animals. They love to bask in sun for long periods. An estuarine crocodile is the largest of all crocodiles. It is 7 to 8 meters long. The longest have been found to be 10 meters long. Its tail looks like a saw. Tail बिल्कुल आरी की तरह लगती है इनकी. The teeth remain exposed even when the mouth is closed. It feeds on fishes, reptiles, water birds and other small mammals. In India, it is found on the east coast and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. A mugger is much smaller than a ghadial. Its average length ranges from 3 to 5 meters. Its snout is short and broad. It feeds on fishes, frogs, birds and small animals. It is found throughout India except in mountainous and desert regions. Some improvement in the number of lions and crocodiles can be seen due to protection and conservation efforts by the government and other organizations. But much more needs to be done. गवर्नमेंट और ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस तो अपनी तरफ से एफर्ट्स कर रहे हैं कि लायंस और क्रोकोडाइल्स के नंबर बढ़ें और जितने हैं वो सेफ रहें. लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं हम लोगों को भी थोड़ा सा अवेयर होना पड़ेगा ताकि इनके हैबिटेट को डिस्ट्रॉय ना करें और इनकी हम हंटिंग ना करें. सो आई होप वी गैदर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ good information with us today.